बैक टू माई यूट्यूब चैनल अली टेक इन्फो। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू मेक मनी ऑन शॉपिफाई 10+ अमेजिंग आइडियाज़। शॉपिफाई से आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं ये हम देखेंगे आज के इस वीडियो के अंदर। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के इस वीडियो को। विद फास्ट ग्रोइंग टेक्नोलॉजी एंड एन इंक्रीजिंग नंबर ऑफ सीरियस इलनेस इन रिसेंट ईयर्स, ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग हैज़ बिकम more popular than ever. Consequently, many retailers are switching from brick-and-mortar shopping to e-commerce, which is easily accessible to millions of online shoppers worldwide. As one of the best e-commerce platforms in the market, Shopify is obviously a good source to earn bread and butter online. But the question is how to make money on Shopify. Is there any way to make money online fast? In today's article, Diet Extension, the one Shopify cart migration expert will address the age-old question of how to make money on Shopify by providing the details regarding what is Shopify, proven ideas to earn money on Shopify, some tips to make the most out of your Shopify business, why should you choose Shopify over other e-commerce solutions. Without further ado, let's dive into it. To it, so whether create how to make money on Shopify. 7 ideas. Create a Shopify store. The very first answer to how to make money on Shopify is to create an e-commerce store and sell something. As previously stated, it's quite simple to build one using Shopify. Right after you finish creating a Shopify account, there will be a detailed step-by-step guide. You can sell almost anything on Shopify, both physical and digital products, providing that your items are valuable for users and legally accepted. Shopify allows you to manually add each listing after a few simple steps, or import a list of several products using CSV files to speed up the process. After that, you can fill in the product information, including the title, description, images, videos, and so on. It's also easy to add product variation up to 3 variants quickly and easily. If you have yet to come up with a product idea, scroll down below for some amazing options, or if you want a complete guide to start your business, you can refer to our guide on how to sell digital products on Shopify. Sell digital products and downloads. Digital products are intangible assets that can not be physically consumed and are only distributed online. They exist in various forms, from streamable files such as MP3 video and podcast to downloadable ones, templates, plugins, ebooks, and even NFT non-fungible token. You can sell your digital products over and over again, and there is no limitation on how many items you can sell. You don't need to worry about a high overhead cost or the necessity to replenish your inventory. The investment in digital product is generally low, except for special products like apps, themes, games, or software that require a team of professionals and a monetary investment. As one of the best platforms to sell digital products, you can make money on Shopify with this non-typical type of goods. If you take interest in the digital field, start with the most profitable product, including educational products, licenses to use your digital assets, type membership, or digital templates or tools. It's worth nothing that you must connect to a third-party app to provide a download link to your customers and disable shipping for these digital products as well. तो शॉपिफाई से आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं ये हम देखेंगे। हमने देखा आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर। अगर आप लोग को आज की वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। हमें इजाज़त दीजिए। गुड बाय।